Hi, my name is Sheryl Benjy and I'm an artist. You can find me on Instagram at SherylBenjy_art. I do a lot of abstract work like the ones you see behind me and body paintings. So check me out and maybe give me a follow. So I have a few tips for being on Instagram. I've been doing it for about 4 years. And I've learned a few things here and there, and I went from 200 followers to about 12K. So here are a few I have for you. Number 1, be consistent. Try to post every day. Some people say, I don't know what to post, and I don't know what pictures to put or what to write. Just do it. Don't overthink it. When I first started, if you look back, it is day and night compared to now. So just with experience and time, you figure it all out. Number 2, post good photos. Go outside when you're taking pictures of your paintings. You need good light. So I never take photos of my paintings at night. So if you could take them outside in the shade where there's good lighting, that would be ideal. And you'll see the difference. And you don't need a professional camera. You could use your phone. Our phones are so advanced now that they could take really good photos. Be authentic. That's so important, and I'm sure you've heard it before. Just write what's in your heart and what you're feeling at the moment and what your painting means to you. And don't be afraid to just be real. And you could even say the things that have been challenging and haven't been going so well. And it's not always easy. It's not always easy creating. So it's okay. We don't have to make it all polished and shiny and pretty, the whole experience. And that's what social media does a lot, and I don't think that's a good thing. So be as real as possible. Include photos of yourself. So take photos of yourself with your paintings. There is a noticeable difference in likes when people see a picture of you or a picture of a person, and they want to see the artist behind all the beautiful paintings. So show your face and smile and, have different poses. Have fun with it. I mean, that's the main thing. It's just to have fun and joy in what you're doing, and people will see it. They'll take notice and they'll give you a follow. Have different hashtags. So don't copy and paste everything. I was doing that a lot, and Instagram kind of doesn't do well with that. So just mix it up a little bit and things that are art related. So that's about it. Yeah. I really hope that you get all the followers, and be patient with yourself and kind and loving, and spread your light. Thank you for joining me.